Innovation starts with imagination, and today I'm excited to announce to you all that we are accepting Google Veo3.
Feeling stuck now that your free trial of Google Veo3 has expired and wondering how you'll keep creating without paying $250 a month?
You're not alone. That tech is powerful, but not exactly budget-friendly for most creators. But here's the good news.
You don't have to stop creating. Canva just dropped a game-changing feature that lets you generate cinematic quality videos using the same AI technology behind Veo3. No cameras, no complex editing, just your words and a few clicks. And here's the kicker. What you get inside Canva will surprise you, so make sure you stick around till the end. I tested it myself and made a fun cinematic scene to show you exactly how it works. Take a look.
The White House will host a UFC bout next year as part of events to mark 250 years of American independence, the U.S. government has announced.
Here's how to try it yourself. From your Canva homepage, click on the Canva AI tab in the top menu. Select Create a Video Clip. You'll see a prompt box where you can describe the scene you want to generate. Canva also lets you choose from style options like cinematic, surreal, photorealistic, 3D render, animated, or black and white. But if you're staring at that blank prompt box thinking, what do I type here? Don't worry, ChatGPT is your secret weapon for crafting awesome prompts in seconds. For example, head to ChatGPT and you could ask ChatGPT to make a scene prompt for a monkey wearing a nice suit in an office, sitting on a boardroom table among human and monkey investors. Once ChatGPT gives you the prompt, you can tweak it if you'd like. If you're not satisfied, simply ask it to come up with another version until it feels just right. Play around for the best results. Copy it and head back to Canva. Paste it into the prompt box. Check the other settings. For now, Canva supports one aspect ratio, 16:9, and automatically sets the duration to 8 seconds. You can also adjust framing and lighting if you'd like. Then hit Generate. In seconds, Canva creates an 8-second video clip, complete with an AI-generated soundtrack that syncs beautifully with the visuals. So, let's check out the scene I created and imagine the endless possibilities for your own videos. And yep, if you're on Canva Pro, you get 5 AI video credits every month to turn your ideas into cinematic gold. So don't sleep on this. Drop your wildest prompt idea in the comments, hit that like button, and subscribe for more AI-powered content tips that actually work. See you in the next one.